How to make a coding cartoon? Well, first, I want to show a character. To make the character show up, you gotta have a purple shell. Here's what it looks like when you have a purple show the character. Here's what it looks like when you have no purple show character. You have to show them. I want to show the pony. I click the pony and I go, show me the pony. Say, show me the pony. Now, let's make the pony talk. This is the talk one. It's got a word balloon on it so they could talk. Do I want the dog to talk? No, I want the pony to talk. So I turn the dog into a pony. I bring it over and make him say what I want. Click the words and type in there. H-I, hi. Let's see it. Reset, run. Cool. I see the pony because I press show. And it says hi because the pony says hi. What happens if this is the dog? Will the pony say hi now? No. Watch this. It tells the dog to say hi, not the pony. Let's change it back. Now let's make the pony move. I want the pony to walk that way. Is this gonna make the pony move? No, it's gonna make the dog move, see? And I don't even have a dog. So let's change it to the pony. Now it says move the pony. And he moves because I told him to move. If I want to see more special codes, take this gray line and pull it down. And here's all this extra special codes. Here's my cool face mood code. I move it. I changed him face. I want him sad. Do I want the dog sad? No. I want the pony to be sad. Now pony is sad. Hi, he walks and he's sad. Last, let's put one more character on. Now the pony is going to have a friend. Let's change it to the cat. Let's give him a cat friend. Take a purple show and say, show me the cat. Let's hear you say, show me the cat. Cool. Now I want the cat to talk. I'll pick the talk word balloon. And if the cat's gonna talk, I gotta make the cat talk. And the cat will say, hi. Show pony. Hi, says pony. Pony moves and is sad. Show cat. Cat says hi. Let's make the cat move. Not the dog. The cat move. Cool. And that's how you make your own coding cartoon.